At Buffalo Elementary School, we have great community support and we have great families at our elementary school. We encourage family involvement. Parents are involved with parent-teacher organization. They help with many of our events such as parties, after-school programs such as our family reading night, our science Olympiad, our science fair, and field day.
It's really nice because from the first day James started here, he was really excited to start school here at Buffalo Elementary, and I can tell you every day he comes home full of energy, ready to tell me all the stories of what happened in his day.
Buffalo Elementary has like a really caring community, whether we're talking about the teachers or the support staff, and anyone who works here does a fantastic job. They show a lot of interest in the students and in their lives, not just here at school in their academics, but personal lives outside of school as well.
I think Freeport is a special place. It's a great community with wonderful families. I grew up here. I'm married a Freeport person, and I'm raising my family here too, so it's a testament to a great community.
I came back to be closer to my family, but I also loved this district. I loved the people that I worked with and the area. I was a former student of the Freeport School District. It was a great experience. I had lots of great memories from the school.
They're really nice, and when you're like when you're sad, they help you.
The kids, they're awesome. They love to be here. They have a great attitude about things and they work hard.
The Freeport administration, school district, and its community fully supports music in our schools.
I think it's good because they have a lot of music stuff here and a lot of things that you can learn about music and how you sing.
Something that I'm proud of is introducing the Buzzworthy Behavior Program with Buzzworthy Bs. So students earn a Buzzworthy B for going above and beyond with some kind of behavior. So we're catching students being good. They can earn a B, their B goes up on the wall, they get a letter sent home to parents with their B in it.
You know, it's the same as if we're taking our own kids, feeding our own kids, because we want to make sure that they're getting what they need, what they're going to be hungry for.
Freeport has been a leader in the schools of having full-time security throughout every building.
I think my best days here when I see smiles. When I see the smiles on the kids' faces and I know I'm getting through, or if I get hugs from my girl, or the smiles from my girl, the direct eye contact sometimes I get from my girls, then I know I've had a good day and I've had an impact.
Art teaches critical thinking skills, creativity, problem solving, teaches them how to be right-brained leaders in the world. In the spring, every year we have an annual district art show. It's for K through 12th grade students, and it's been very successful every year. We have many community members and parents attend.
I run the morning television program called Best TV. It's an opportunity for the students to come and give morning announcements. We produce variety shows, we do quiz shows, and various other activities for the school.
You know, I feel like it's something that is really special. Not only, do we get, the department as a whole get great support from the community, but our administration is very supportive of everything that we do. They understand the importance of it and what it does for children. It's a very special place to work, that's for sure.
I am in Willy Wonka Kids, and I am playing Charlie Bucket for Buffalo Elementary.
I feel that Mr. Pulaski, he is really nice, but he gets things done, and when it comes down to business, he is really strict.
Mr. Pulaski is a very nice principal. I like the teachers because they help you learn. We built a card for testing how far it can go.
The parents are very involved here. They come in for a variety of different activities. We have them come in to help out in the classroom. We do some community service projects that they come in and help us out with.
There's no better place than Buffalo Elementary.